At Papé Material Handling, we've got the latest in electric forklifts to optimize your fleet. Our full lineup of 3-wheel and 4-wheel electric trucks and compact forklifts ensures you'll find the perfect fit for your facility. Whether you're looking for nimble options to navigate tight warehouse spaces or a sturdy truck for increased load capacity, we've got models to fit your operational needs. Compared to internal combustion engines, electric forklifts are easier to maintain, so you can maximize uptime. Lower fuel costs support your profitability goals, while decreased emissions and added visibility for the operators improve the health and safety of your work environment. For a tight turn radius and increased maneuverability, 3-wheel trucks from Hyster and Yale are perfect for your warehouse and other indoor spaces. 4-wheel trucks from Hyster and Yale offer added stability, lift capacities up to 36,000 pounds, and the ability to navigate uneven terrain, making them good options for indoor or outdoor use. Electric multi-directional lifts from Aisle-Master offer enhanced power to increase productivity and have fewer wearable parts to maximize uptime. Whether you're looking to decrease operational costs or increase your facility's sustainability, electric forklifts offer an ideal solution. With locations across the West, our knowledgeable team is here to keep you moving with the right machine for the job. Contact us today.